Oh my goodness, look at my garden. It's underwater. Oh my God, let me get these peppers. In the rain, because one fell off. Yep. So this is my first harvest in the rain. Goodness me. So that's 3 peppers. And then look at this. Woo! Should have put on my water boots, but I didn't plan for this. I just thought, let me just come out here. Look at my garden. It's underwater. Oh my God. But it's all good. Yes. Woo! This is like when we were children. Look at the rain. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ah! It's a rainy shower. You hear my dogs them? My dog them on make up nice. Woo! This is nice. This is fun. I'm loving this. Woohoo! Look at my feet. Oh my goodness, look at these puddles. Rainy puddles. Woo! Oh my God. So I picked 3 peppers from the garden. Look at that. Look at that. So this is my first harvest. And it's right here in the rain. This is awesome. Hey family, so that was my share with you for today. That was my little nature adventure. I mean, I could not see it raining and not go outside and full enjoy the rain. I'm still here wet. I know some of you are going to say, oh, Empress, get the wet clothes off, you'll get sick. But it's something that I do all the time. With that said, leave me your comments in the comment section. Let me know how it makes you feel when it rains. If it takes you back to a time in your childhood when you used to play in the rain and it was nothing but fun. With that said, until my next video, that's all for now. Empress Yuda. Blessed love.
Oh, yeah. King Rastafari on top of a mountain in the Caribbean Sea, Atlantic, Ethiopia.